Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can manage your contacts or accounts in Salesforce. First things first, as you can see, I created this Salesforce account just for this reason, to show you some tutorials. At the moment they are providing 14 days free trial, which I strongly recommend you trying if you want to find out if the Salesforce is the one CRM for you. So let's jump into contacts or accounts, because we will be I'll be showing you how to delete, for example, both of them. And let's start with accounts. At the moment we have this one called Andy, and this goes same for contacts, not only for accounts. This Andy guy, let's say we want to get rid of him. We want to really delete the account. So as you can see, we have this wheel here, and when we scratched it in, as you can see, this account is locked. We can go to the furthest right corner of our screen in the same column where the Andy is, and we want to click on this little arrow pointing downwards. Right now we can change the owner, delete it, or edit it. If you want to change the owner, we have to have more users edit in, or let's call it employees, in the Salesforce account. At the moment we don't, but this is the way how you can basically delete the ownership of this account. And then we have the delete account. Are you sure you want to delete this account? And you click delete. Account Andy was deleted. The last resort chance for you is the undo button, where you can easily revert your actions if you made a mistake. Same goes for contacts. As you can see, the Andy was actually part of this contact. So let's find out the new one. Let's save account name. Let's go with we have to put it into the account or account name. Let's go with new account. And once we fill it in, it goes the same way. There is on the far right corner, there is the one moment, I have a brain freeze. This arrow pointing downwards, and you just simply delete the contact. And that's about it. If you have more questions, because I know sometimes my explanation is sloppy, please ask any questions underneath this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.